For my box braids, this is what I'm going to be using. A mirror, got 2 combs, rat tail combs, regular combs, scissors, some clips. This is the only product I'll be using while I'm braiding. Shine, and this latch. And then I have about 3 bags of hair. This is the pre-stretched braid hair, 28 inches pre-cut, pre-feathered. So I have 3 bags of these. I probably won't even use all 3. So for my hair prep, my scalp has been lately dry and flaky. So I lightly scratched my scalp. I parted, scratched all the way across, and then I went in and put tea tree oil. I parted and put tea tree oil all along the parts, and I put my heat cap on, and I left it on for about 30 minutes, and then I shampooed my hair with shampoo, conditioner, tea tree oil, shampoo and conditioner, and then I did a deep condition with the Aussie. And then after I got out the shower and dried my hair, I put 2 leave-ins, one by Curls, the blueberry leave-in, and then the Shea Moisture low porosity leave-in. I sat under the hair dryer to let my hair dry, but it was taking too long, and my 2 younger kids finally fell asleep for nap time, so I blow dried the rest because I wanted to make sure my scalp was all the way dry and my hair. So that is how I prepped it. So now I'm going to section it, pre-section my hair, and braid it, the whole thing. Sorry, I'm like thinking as I go. I'm gonna braid my whole head before I add in the extension hair. So I'll show you what I mean. Got 1 row down, so I'm going to switch to the other side over here and just go back and forth. So I have the back all sectioned and braided, as you can see. So now I'm gonna do the front, and for my hair in the front, it's finally grown are starting to grow back in from the postpartum hair shedding. So what I'm gonna do is put a rubber band on this hair instead of braiding it. All these elastic bands. I like the elastic bands better than regular rubber bands because they're not too tight. This doesn't feel like it's pulling or anything.
What people do when they're alone is private, and spying is an invasion of privacy. Don't you mean an invasion of piracy? Totally, Mom. You would never dream of spying for real. Yeah, we're just watching the enemy ship. I see. By the way, mateys, I hear there are mermaids in these parts. Mermaids? Where? I want to see. It's my turn, Jojo. I'm practically an expert on mermaids, so I get to look. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What's that? Dad's talking and waving his arms all impassioned, and it's fancier full of lots of feelings. He looks mad. Oui, but Mom, I just have to find out. But Mommy said I'm a spy. Oh, Jojo, I am almost 100% positive that it's not spying if I don't use the spyglass. Oh. Mommy, help me get out of here.
That's it. This isn't working out.
What's not working out?
There's not enough room in this house for the both of us. You have to go.
Someone has to go? Who?
Don't deny it. We'll both be happier living far, far apart.
Dad is getting rid of Frenchie.
Hey, come back with that. Frenchie!
Oh, I can't believe my ears. How could Dad take Frenchie away from us? He may as well take my heart, too. Yeah, Frenchie's the best. You know that, Jojo, and I know that. But for some reason, Daddy doesn't want him around anymore. We heard him say it himself.
Alright, so I'm doing the diagonal partings.
Distressing. I suppose this will be all we'll have to remember him by. Mom will stop him. We gotta tell her. We can't, Jojo. Mom will ask how we found out about Dad giving Frenchie away, and then we'll have to admit we were spying. But you said it wasn't spying if we didn't use the spyglass.
Okay, I have finished sectioning.
I think it'll be here sooner.
So the ones on the top, the front area, the sections are smaller, whereas the back, the sections are bigger. But it's time to start braiding. Stay tuned.
saw her picture in a magazine. I saw the tattoo on her back. Same as mine. I know how she got it. I knew what she had to do to get it. And I knew she was brainwashed just like I was until I knew it. I had to go home. I sat in that room with my mother for a decade, slowly going crazy. I blamed myself for everything. I spent years in and out of mental hospitals until finally, and somehow, I was right. So
So I used 2 packs of hair of that hair I showed you. This is the last braid. Really like this method so far. This will probably be my go-to method from now on, but I don't know for sure once it's time to take my hair down. So after I'm done braiding this, I'm gonna dip the ends in hot water. show you the finished look. And here is the final look. Enjoyed using the crochet latch or crochet tool, I don't even know what that's called, to braid my hair. I had never done it that way before, but it made it super easier. It's not all bulky up here at the top. I originally was looking to do knotless, but since my hair is fine and it's on the thinner side, I felt like knotless wasn't gonna look the way I wanted it to. But you see I can move the braids already. I can do, you know, different hairstyles, and it doesn't hurt. It's no tension on my edges, which is good. And I'll do an update to let y'all know how long these braids have lasted for me. And also stay tuned for some different hairstyles. But thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any questions about anything. And I'll put a list of what all I used in the description box.